Alright, Makato sa kitchen. Liwa. Now been JV the Singing Hunter, who is active by the way na nag-link code tapos nag-healing kitchen. Video kay Mawaton na naman. O JV, makatukit sa kitchen. You summon him like a lot and then there's time limitness. I don't care. The kitchen. The video kay Mawaton is still active. Let's go! I keep saying video kay Mawaton is active. I need to bring my earphones because what is crying. I got my Chizulu's crying first. Let's go. Fire because this is a hard time doing this. Alright. Sinanuna ako. Kaya ko ang singing hunter. And it's because I just summoned video came out on sa kitchen. Let's go. There's a sudden video came out on 1:30 AM like right now. Banana is still time limitless. Still go to the kitchen. I don't do the expression of what's happening. Let's go. Boy, you really think na video okay like 1:30 AM? How is that even possible na mag-video okay like overnight? And how is it still on anay? This punishment video came out on still active. My earphones what the hell? I can't put it in my pocket kay banana. I'm going to put my earphones at the table. Earbuds. You really think I feel up girls? Nah. Earphones naman. Why is it on? You know what? I can hear them far away. Well, I have the dancing, huh? Good thing the active ng video okay. Sayo sira ng TikTok kasi nandan. Okay, the video okay is still active.